What's up, everyone? It's your boy Grant. Finally back with another video. It's been a while, about what, 5 months. But I'm back with another video. And as you can see, I got a lot of stuff on my desk. Well, of course I got a lot of stuff on my desk. But got these packages on my desk. So I'm going to be opening them up. You know, one of them you can kind of already see what it is from the name on it right there. But yeah, I'm going to be opening up these packages, doing a tiny massive tech unboxing. Well, not massive, but a tiny tech unboxing. And let's get into it. Let's see what I got. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a tiny tech unboxing. Excuse the hair. I'm actually starting my locks. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. That's why if you look in a lot of my old videos, I have long hair because I was growing my hair so I can start locking it. So I'm finally starting that lock journey. But that's not what this video is about. Let's get into these packages. So, about to open up the first package. We got the limited edition Last of Us Part 2 PlayStation controller. Now, this is something I had to get. I actually wanted the Last of Us Part 2 limited edition PlayStation 4, but PlayStation website was all sold out. And I don't know if there's any place I can pre-order it, like GameStop or something. I haven't checked it yet, but I'll probably check it later on this week. So yeah, had to get this. And I also really want the limited edition Go limited edition PlayStation Go headset that they have for the game also. Another thing, a lot of y'all don't know, is I have the actual limited edition God of War PlayStation 4 now, which came with the limited edition controller once I figure out what I did with the controller. But the controller's around here somewhere. Let's get into the next package. So, it don't even have any tape on it. Wow, so this was just shipped. Like literally, it has no type of tape whatsoever holding it together. Like, someone could have just opened it up and went into it. But so looks like we have, oh, it's a universal laptop charger. This will come in handy because I got all these laptops here sitting over here that I lost the charger to. So now I'll be able to actually use those laptops. Look at all the different adapters. Dang. I know I'll be able to use any laptop now. And fix any laptop now, because I also fix laptops. Going to the next box. Okay. Now this I have been waiting for a long time. Like a real long time. So what we got in this box is a Elgato HD60 Pro. I've been waiting for this for a long time so I can put this in my gaming rig. So catch me when I make that video real soon of me upgrading my gaming rig. I already got the motherboard. It's sitting right here. I already got the motherboard. I got this actually a long time ago. I got the motherboard right here. So I'll be streaming real soon from my gaming laptop. I already stream from my PlayStation. Well, straight from my PlayStation to Twitch. As a matter of fact, go follow me on Twitch, Epic Monarch. Subscribe to my other YouTube channel, my gaming YouTube channel, which is also Epic Monarch, because I'll be posting Let's Plays now that I got my Elgato. Now, this y'all could have already seen because it wasn't in a box, but this is the Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. Now, I got this because currently I'm using this cheap $10 keyboard from Micro Center for my gaming computer. So I got this, which will be so much better because it's it's a keyboard actually designed for gaming. So, and won't you look at that? Ooh-wee. It's not a mechanical keyboard, which really, really sucks. I wish it was a mechanical keyboard, but this, you can't, it's a gaming keyboard because look, got the macro keys, so I can't complain. Can't complain at all. Hold on, let me plug this in real quick. Oh man, look at that. 2 Corsair plugs side by side. Ain't that beautiful? But look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh my God. I'm so happy I got this keyboard now. Don't have to use that $10 keyboard anymore. Now, on to the next package. See what I got in here. Something else I've been waiting for a long, long time. It is the Core i3 8th Gen CPU. Now, y'all probably wondering, why did I get 8th Gen when there's 10th Gen out now? Why did I even get 9th Gen? Actually, why did you get a Core i3? Well, all it boils down to is money. Okay, so I really don't have, well, I shouldn't say that. I'm on a strict budget, a very strict budget. So I had no choice but to get the Core i3, 8th Gen. Another reason why the motherboard I got only supports 8th Gen CPUs, which is a bummer. So I have to get an 8th Gen CPU first, then upgrade the BIOS so that it can support 9th Gen. So once I do that, I'll do another video of me upgrading the gaming computer, probably within like 6 months, using a 9th Gen CPU. And then probably 3 months of that, I'm gonna switch over to 10th Gen, because if I stick with the 8th Gen or the 9th Gen, I'm going to be behind when it comes to the capability of my gaming PC, because this, even though it is a unlocked CPU, and I just dropped it, even though it is an unlocked CPU and I can overclock it, it's not really the best that I can get for a gaming PC. Let's move on to the next package. See what's in here. Looks like we have a glass privacy screen for the 10R. This is, yeah, for the 10R. I'm looking at, I don't know why I'm looking at it so long, but yeah, we have a privacy screen for the 10R. This will come in handy. I definitely, one, I need a screen protector on my phone. And two, now I'm gonna have privacy. Can't nobody see nothing on my phone now. Now for the final package that can't get into. We got 2 phone cases, and I guess, yep, both of these are for the 10R. Let's see, they're cynical cases. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, like the way this feels. So, got this red one and got what looks like seafoam green. So got 2 cases of red and seafoam green, which isn't that bad because I'm getting tired of the case that's on the phone now, because the case that's on it now is a little bulky. Like, and this is perfect because it looks like it's form fitting and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna give these a try and see how they are and how it goes with this screen protector. So yeah, I just realized something. I forgot to show y'all what the Last of Us Part 2 controller looked like outside the box. So I'm about to show y'all that now. Only thing about PlayStation packaging when it comes to controllers is so much difficult than Xbox packaging. Because Xbox packaging, all you do is just lift the box up like this, and there goes the controller. This, you gotta cut so much tape and then open up the top of the box. I think there's plastic, like, yeah, there's plastic around it. Like, there's so much you gotta go through to get the daggone controller. So, PlayStation, if you watching, let's work out a deal. Because I notice y'all have no brand ambassadors. I see so many YouTubers that are brand ambassadors of Xbox. And the only reason I notice is because they constantly get controllers from Xbox. I don't see not a near YouTuber getting a controller from PlayStation. So, if you watching, holla at your boy. But yeah, this is what the controller looks like outside of the box. Look at that. It says The Last of Us Part 2 up there on the touch screen part. And then you got the tattoo that she has in the game. And it's, what is this? Like a grayish color. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. Like this, I found my other controller. This is what my other controller look like. It says God of War up there on the screen, and then it got his tattoo over here, like side by side. These are some beautiful controls, like beautiful. But yeah, just turned on my PlayStation with the button. But yeah, beautiful controller. I gotta link this one up to the PlayStation now. So yeah, with that, this has been another video. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.